The Old Testament, revered by Jews and Christians alike, contains numerous prophecies that many Muslims believe foretell the advent of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, centuries before his birth. These prophecies, found in various books of the Old Testament, serve as a testament to the interconnectedness of the Abrahamic faiths and the continuity of divine revelation throughout history. One of the most significant prophecies concerning Prophet Muhammad is found in the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 18 verse 18, where Moses addresses the Israelites, saying, "I will raise up for them a prophet like you from among their brothers. I will put my words in his mouth, and he will tell them everything I command him." Muslims believe that this verse refers to Prophet Muhammad, as he was from among the brethren of the Israelites, descendants of Ishmael, the brother of Isaac, and he was indeed a prophet who received divine revelation and conveyed the word of God to humanity. Additionally, in the book of Isaiah, chapter 42, verses 1 to 4, there is a prophecy about a servant of God who will bring justice to the nations. This servant is described as someone who will not shout or cry out in the streets, but will be gentle and compassionate. Muslims interpret this prophecy as referring to Prophet Muhammad, who was known for his gentle and merciful nature, and who brought justice and guidance to the nations through the revelation of the Quran. Furthermore, in the book of Isaiah, chapter 29 verse 12, there is a mention of a book that will be given to a prophet who is not learned, and he will be asked to read it, to which he will reply, "I am not learned." Muslims believe that this prophecy refers to the revelation of the Quran to Prophet Muhammad, who was known to be unlettered and could neither read nor write. Yet, he received the Quranic verses from Allah through the angel Gabriel, and conveyed them to the people, despite his lack of formal education. These are just a few examples of the prophecies in the Old Testament that Muslims believe foretell the coming of Prophet Muhammad. They serve as a reminder of the unity of the Abrahamic faiths and the continuity of divine guidance throughout history. Muslims view Prophet Muhammad as the culmination of the prophetic tradition, whose message of monotheism, justice, and compassion continues to resonate with millions of people around the world today.